Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2019 Ford Mustang Premium Ecoboost in magnetic metallic on black leather interior. So I'll just swing around the back here so you can have a look. So nice size trunk on these guys. We've got those pieces there are the side pieces, so when the top's down, they're like covers that clip in. If you like to use them, they are there. Underneath we've got the spare tire, so that's there for you. And have a look in the seams, nice and clean, looks good. And we'll close this one up. So this one has custom GT350 style stripes that go up the front all the way. It looks great. Flat black matte with the red. This one's got the black pack, so the pony on the back is black, the wheels are black, and the front emblem is black as well. We've got the stainless steel exhaust with the bright finishing tips. We've got rear parking sensors in the bumper, so it'll beep at you when you're backing up if you get close to something. We've got LED tail lights on the rear. We've got the gloss black spoiler here. Looks great. So we'll just swing around this side. So here's your back wheel. So no curb rash, no issues. Nice black pack wheels with brand new GT radial tires. Looks great. So at the passenger side here, we've got the nice leather insert with the baseball stitching on it. We've got power locks, we've got power windows, we've got the nice chrome surround around the speaker. If I flip over here, we've got the Mustang kick plate that illuminates. And I'll let you have a look at the passenger seat leather. Looks great, in good shape. We've got power seat, so that's 4 aft up and down, and then manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and flip the seat up here. So there's just a handle on the back that I used, and then that gives you access to the back seat. As you can see, the back seat's in great shape. We'll just push that back and I'll have a seat. As I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And in the glove box, we've got some books here. Let me just check. 2019 owner's manual. So the owner's manual is there, and there's a shelf for it to tuck away. So we'll put that all back and put that up on the shelf for you. And then we've got the nice brushed finished look here on the dash, which is great. We've got the old classic Mustang logo up here, and I'll let you have a look at the dash. Looks good. And we've got the tweeter up there on the A-pillar. So I'll just hop out and we'll run down the side of this vehicle. So no dings, no dents, no scratches, looks good. And here's your front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues, and brand new GT radial tires on there. So here we are under the hood. So here's your Ecoboost motor. So it's a 4-cylinder, 2.3 liter engine, turbocharged, which is 310 horsepower, paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. So there's lots of power. You know, it'll move nicely, and it will be a very quiet ride. So very, very cool cars. I really do enjoy these. So I'm just going to close the hood here, and we'll have a look at the front. Okay, so here it is from the front. So we've got the nice HID projector headlights. We've got the LED daytime running lights. Again, we've got the nice stripes that go up the front. In terms of stone chips or issues, looks like there's one little guy here which we'll touch up. Let's see, scan along here. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's much on this one. This one looks very clean, as you can see. The front lower lip looks great. It's in good shape. So that's great. So we'll just run around here. Here's your driver's front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues, and brand new GT radial tires on there. And same thing back here. Looks great. So here we are at the driver's side. So we've got power locks, we've got power windows, we've got power mirrors. Again, the nice leather insert with the baseball stitching and the chrome surround around the speaker. Looks great. Here's your driver's side kick plate that illuminates at night as well. We've got power 4 aft up and down and power lumbar adjust on this, and then your manual recline back here. And I'll just scan up the seat so you can see it's in good shape. Looks good. And I'll just hop in. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. Let's get in and fire this one up. So this one's push button start. So just down here, that's it. So in terms of mileage, we've got 20,209 kilometers, no warning lights, no issues on the dash, looks great. You've got automatic headlamps and fog lights over here with your dimmer, so that will dim your lighting. You've got your turn signal, and then up here we've got volume controls, track change, mute. We've got cruise control down here, arrow keys for your display. So I like to have the digital display there, but you got track apps, driver assist settings, other gauges, that's all there for you. So that can be controlled by that. And then we've got voice control, media select, we've got phone answer or hang up, and then you've got paddle shifters up here as well. So you can put it in standard mode and shift if you like. So here's your radio. So we've got audio, climate, phone, nav, apps, and settings. So you know, you've got AM, FM, satellite, and then media from your phone. If we hit climate, we can control the climate control. Just click menu. So, you know, you can control all those different things. You got your phone, factory navigation. So there it is, factory nav. If I put it in reverse, there's your backup camera. So that's all there. You got heated and cooled seats. So in the summer you hit the cooled seat and it'll blow cool air through the seats. Down here we've got four ways, we've got traction off, we've got steering mode, and then sport mode. So when I click that up here, normal, sport, track, drag strip, wet, snow. So those are options for you. There's your automatic shifter, there's your cup holders with illumination, and in here we've got 12-volt socket and a USB connector as well. So now I'll just go ahead and put the top up for you, let you see that that's operating properly. Okay, so that comes up, and then just before it closes, I'll undo the latch, lock it in place, and we'll put up the windows. Perfect. And I'll just hop out with it running and let you have a look. Here it is from the front with the nice bright headlights on. Looks good. And we'll just run down this side. Looks good. And here's the top. Top's in good shape, no rips, no tears. Looks okay. And here it is from the back. There's the exhaust. Nice LED tail lights. And I'll just go up this side of the roof. Again, no issues, looks great. There you have it, folks. 2019 Ford Mustang Premium Ecoboost in magnetic metallic, here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.